Guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel today. It's your girl Runa. I am, obviously you guys know, I'm a product hoarder. I'm always looking at the internet for like the newest beauty products, and I know this isn't that new, but I want to review the Wunder 2 Brow. They sent me a jet black. I think it's going to be a little too dark for me, but I mean, I wanted to test this out, do a wear test for you guys, let you guys know what's up. It's a one-step brow gel, so it comes in a container just like this, and it looks like, okay, let me open this. And you have to open stuff with your mouth, because you know, packaging be very crazy. It comes like this, like a brush. I don't think you're supposed to use it like a brush like that, because it's just a brush. Like, look at that. It comes in a brush form. I don't think you're supposed to use it like a brush. So this is the jet black color. I don't think this is my color, but let's check it out. It says Wunder Brow is the complete one-step solution to thicker, more beautiful eyebrows. Our Perma Fix gel technology locks color and tiny hair fibers into the skin, giving you thicker, more defined brows that are smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and waterproof for up to 3 days. So I'm supposed to be able to wear this 3 days and not do my brows for 3 days. Okay, it doesn't have any instructions on this. Oh no, it does. No. No, those are the... Okay, let's go at their Instagram and see what they have on their Instagram. They have no instructions on the box. So let's see what their Instagram is. Because, you know, I mean, comment down below if you're someone that checks out someone's Instagram or a company's Instagram before you buy their product, so you can see if it like fits you. I do. My Wunder Brow. Okay, so I mean, it looks solid. Everybody's, oh, it looks good. Doesn't look bad. But the thing it says is that it's supposed to last 3 days. So like, do I wash my face or do I not wash my face? Okay. Let me watch what girls do. So, and then I guess you just fill it in. Okay. So I can't find my spoolie brush, but I have an angle brush. So basically, I guess you take the color and you just pick up the color from here and you start your brows off like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take an angled brush and take some color from here and maybe like wipe off the excess. I'm gonna take some color from right here because I feel like this is where the least amount of color will happen. Okay, so I'm obviously gonna just fill in the brows where they need to be filled in. So I always have, you know, a little bit of issues right here. So I'm gonna fill in that area. Like, I mean, I don't understand. Like, maybe they should have made the, I don't know. I feel like the wanding should have been different. But pigmentation wise, this is not bad. I'm actually really liking it. Okay, it feels kind of dry. Like, feels like the product has already dried up on me. But I mean, it's feeling really pretty good. Like, if you see the difference, it's very easy. And it's a one-step brow wear. So I'm putting on very little, you guys. Looks good. I really thought it was gonna look super harsh, but it doesn't look harsh at all. It actually looks very, very snazzy and like so cute. Like, I'm just like, hello brow, hey girl. Finally, I finished with doing my brows. I use the Wunder Brow 2 in jet black on my brows. So far, first impression is I love it. I think it's amazing. I feel like my brows were filled in very easily and beautifully. They just look really natural and there's no really harshness to it. I was amazed that it was just one product and I didn't need to use anything else. It was just this one product. What I would say is I don't like the packaging of the product. Don't like that it has like a brush. Don't like the packaging. I feel like the brush to it is kind of ridiculous. Like, are you supposed to sweep it on? Are you supposed to use a spoolie? Also, the packaging didn't have any instructions on it. I didn't like that either. It was, I mean, I get maybe they want us to explore and look at stuff and find the instructions. I don't know what the marketing tactic is behind that, or maybe they just lost out on understanding that brows are not as easy to so many people, especially when it's like a new product. So I wasn't super impressed by the informational stuff. I feel like any product nowadays on the market needs to have information to it in order for us as the consumer to use it correctly. But other than that, I love the product as a first impressions. It's a wear test, and y'all know what wear test means. I actually go throughout my day reporting back to you guys exactly what's going on with this product. Because, you know, what's the point of me reviewing a product if I'm just gonna sit in my pretty little room and tell you guys what's up? So here's my wear test. Hey, what's up? I'm back to do a review. This is day 1 of my Wunder Brows. This has been worn on for like about 8 hours. It's midnight right now, so you girl needs to go to sleep. See how it looks. I've had it on for over 8 hours, and look at it. It still looks really dark, and it looks really natural. So, I mean, it looks really good. So on the packaging, it says that it's waterproof, and I'm gonna try to wash my face right now down my brows. But I'm gonna splash my brows with water and see how waterproof it is. Even with wetting my face, like look, it's still just as bold. We're gonna go on to day 2 and day 3, okay? We'll be back tomorrow. Hey guys, hey, good morning. It is me from my car. I was just getting my coffee because you know coffee's life, and I'm here to give you guys day 2 of the Wunder Brow. So day 2, I don't think it lasted as long. I'm going to bring in really close. So day 2, there goes my brow. So I feel like a lot of the product is still over here, but definitely the product has faded out. I didn't wash my brows since yesterday, which feels pretty nasty. But I think they faded away while I was sleeping. So I definitely don't think the Wunder Brow lasts for 3 days. But however, the Wunder Brow lasts a full day, like a full day. It didn't smudge, it didn't move, the pigmentation was amazing. So for me, that is always really important with a brow product. Honestly, I don't need a brow product to last me 3 days. I mean, I think it's amazing that they try to create a formula that's that long lasting. Other than that, yes, the Wunder Brow product is Runa approved. I think you should definitely try it out. I think it's definitely priced very well, and I don't think it's hype. So yeah, okay guys, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching my videos and always supporting me. I love you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment so I can continue to do a bunch of reviews for you guys. Wear tests, like this is my favorite type of video to make, is wear testing and just testing out beauty products, because I've never really explored this part of my life. I just wear products because I've always been like a product hoarder, so I buy a lot of products. I never really test them out, so like I'm super excited to do this for you guys. So anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Also, I am on Instagram, that is Glam by Runa. Facebook, that is Glam by Runa. And my Twitter is linked down below in my description box, along with the link to a Wunder Brow product for you. See you guys in my next video. Bye!